This ultra-compact light clips to your clothes, snaps onto metal, stands on a table, and even mounts to your phone. Weighing just 40 grams, it pumps out up to 300 lumens, making it lighter than an egg, but infinitely more useful when the grid goes down. This is the Scout Light SparkO, a versatile 4-in-1 hands-free EDC light. Unboxing the SparkO reveals the main unit, a USB-C charging cable, user manuals, and mounting accessories. Measuring just 5.2 centimeters across, this puck-sized light easily vanishes into any pocket. A central control button is encircled by the main LED ring, all housed in a flexible silicone body that you can bend and twist at any angle without interrupting operation. The single-button interface is incredibly intuitive, letting you cycle through brightness levels, a night vision-friendly red mode, and 3 distinct color temperatures. A warm 2700K for relaxing, a neutral 4300K for daily tasks, and a crisp 6500K cool white for maximum visibility. The real magic of the SparkO is its 4-way mounting system. First is clip mode, which secures the light to jackets, pockets, or backpack straps to keep your hands completely free while walking or sorting through gear. Next is magnetic mode, letting you snap it inside a car boot or under the hood for hands-free emergency repairs. The magnet holds firm even if the surface is bumped. Third is stand mode, where folding the silicone flap turns the device into an adjustable desk lamp for close-up workspace tasks or power cuts. Finally, phone mode provides a soft fill light for selfies, video calls, or product shots. This is where the premium CRI 95 rating shines, ensuring skin tones, fabrics, and objects retain their accurate, natural colors. In real-world low-light testing, the wide, circular beam completely transforms dark spaces. While it isn't a long-range spotlight, the 300-lumen flood beam is absolutely perfect for close-range tasks, camping, and illuminating paths. The rugged housing features an IPX5 water resistance rating, meaning it easily handles rain and splashes. When it runs low, it juices up via USB-C in about an hour, delivering up to 14.5 hours of continuous runtime on lower settings. Ultimately, the Scout Light SparkO earns its spot in your everyday carry for 5 clear reasons. Its featherweight pocketable footprint, fast USB-C charging, effortless 4-in-1 mounting layout, high-quality CRI 95 color accuracy, and unmatched overall versatility. Check out the link in the description to grab your own Scout Light SparkO,